In this bubble tutorial video, I'm going to show you a really quick UI improvement that you can add to your repeating groups if you're using them as a table in your Bubble app. So I've got a simple repeating group here that's listening through contacts in my database. And the first thing I'm going to do is to group all of the cells, all of the elements in my cell and add it into a row. And then I'm going to use padding, not margin, to give this a bit more of a bit more professional look. And if I demo that, you'll already see that there's an improvement, vast improvement to my repeating group layout. It just looks a lot better. But how do I add in a hover effect to it so that as the user's mouse goes over the table, it highlights the row that they're looking at? So that's one reason why I've put everything into a group, because it allows me to add a hover effect to all of the elements, well, the whole background of the cell, and it also allows me to add in the padding, making it look much better. So first step would be to change the background color to white. And the reason I do this is it simplifies this next step, which is to say when this group is hovered, I can then change the background color. If I had set the background color to white in the previous step, I'd have to also change the background style, so it just simplifies things here. And I'm going to change this to a nice gray. And I can demo what that gray looks like. Fine. And then I'm also going to add in a transition effect on the background style. And just so this is really clear, I'm going to put it up to 700 milliseconds, but you will probably find that something between 300 and 500 gives the best effect, and you'll see exactly what I mean now, which is that when my mouse goes over, I get a fade effect. I don't know if it's picking that up on the video. Let me increase this all the way up to say 3 seconds, so 3000 milliseconds. And so it's really obvious that the fade effect is taking place. Let's just darken it. There we go. These are all just really quick UI improvements that you can make to your Bubble app. Now you can see the fade is taking place. Doesn't that look good? So please subscribe if you are interested in learning more about Bubble. We have over 100 Bubble tutorials on our website. Some of them are member only. Please go to planetnocode.com to find out more.
Hey guys, if you're finding these YouTube tutorials helpful, we invite you to explore even more content on our website at planetnocode.com. We have a large selection and variety of super in-depth and detailed video lessons there, created and curated just for our paying members. It's all about learning together and accelerating your no-code journey. Check us out at www.planetnocode.com and let's continue building without limits.